Hello everyone, I'm Jayali Karunarathna. I am happy to present my project, Animal Disease Prediction System. The goal of this system is to help owners quickly identify potential diseases based on symptoms and provide appropriate care advices. Initially, I plan to implement this using machine learning, but I faced challenges due to the lack of sufficient data to train a reliable model. To overcome this, I used N8N. Here is how it works. The user enters the type of animal and its symptoms. There is also the option to enter more optional information if needed. The webhook receives the information, processes it through the workflow, and returns the predicted disease with care recommendations automatically. For future improvements, I hope to develop a full user interface where users can get more useful advices, also add a trained machine learning model, and I hope to integrate image recognition, which will enable the system to predict diseases directly from animal photos, making it more user friendly and powerful. Thank you.